Hello students, I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, it seems that some students are not watching the complete video. Neither they are reading the chapter. In last video I told you to do exercises in book, but very less students have done so. Take your online class seriously. Let's start your second chapter in geography. This class 7, this is your second chapter in geography, atmosphere. But before starting this chapter, let's check the exercises which you have done in book. First fill in the blanks was dash color, light blue color show a water body with lesser depth. Second one, if a large part of topo sheet is covered by yellow wash, that indicates cultivable land. Third one, brown color is used to represent contour lines. All types of settlements are shown in red color. Green wash on topo sheet indicates vegetation or forest. This is the sequence of your match the column 3, 5, 2, 1, 4. Yes, second chapter, atmosphere. What is the meaning of atmosphere? The earth is surrounded by an envelope of air. Envelope you can say, or you can say like a blanket also, of air, which is called the atmosphere. Composition of atmosphere. It means all these gases prepare atmosphere for us. Nitrogen amounts to nearly 78% of the volume of air, while oxygen 21%. The remaining 1% of all air includes all the remaining gases found in the atmosphere. Nitrogen helps in growth of living organism, especially the plants. Carbon dioxide and water help plant growth. Usefulness of the atmosphere. The atmosphere acts as a shield around the earth and protect the earth from cosmic rays, harmful rays. As a shield like this. It also acts as a barrier protecting the earth from the meteors, which can cause a lot of damage on the earth. Meteors entering the earth's atmosphere appearing as shooting stars in the night sky, and they get burned before they can reach us. A large number of meteors have hit the moon and left deep scars on surface of it. Like, see the surface of moon, scars. Can you see it? All these things done by meteors. They hit the moon and left these type of scars. Radio communications on Earth are possible as the upper layer of the atmosphere stop sound waves from escaping into space. Now, next topic is structure of the atmosphere. The atmosphere of the Earth can be divided into 4 major layers. This division is based on the density and temperature differences in the atmosphere. In different layers, you can see they have different temperatures. The 4 layers of the atmosphere of the earth are: first one is troposphere. Troposphere is the lowest and the densest layer of the atmosphere. The average height of this layer is taken as about 11 km. Almost all dust particles and water vapors are contained in it. The temperature in this layer falls with increasing height. As we go increasing height, temperature will be decreasing. Second layer is stratosphere. The second layer of the atmosphere is called stratosphere, which extends from 11 to 50 kilometers. Most of the ozone of the atmosphere is contained in it, in this layer only. Meteors entering the Earth's atmosphere get burnt in this layer only. After this, they do not enter in troposphere. Third layer is mesosphere. Mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere. It extends between 50 to 80 kilometer above the Earth's surface. Temperature falls with elevation. As we go in higher, temperature decreases. It is the coldest among atmospheric all the layers. Among all the layers, mesosphere is the coldest layer. Thermosphere is the fourth layer. Sphere is the fourth layer of the atmosphere. It extends from 80 to 600 kilometer above the Earth's surface. Absorbing small amount of solar energy can significantly increase the air temperature, making it the hottest layer in the atmosphere. It is divided into two parts. First part is ionosphere. This layer reflects the radio signals back to Earth, thus making radio communications possible. Back to Earth. This layer doesn't allow the signal go to the space. Second one is exosphere. The atmosphere acts as a filter to the radiation coming from the sun. Harmful radiation coming from the sun is not allowed to reach the Earth's surface. These are some new words. Air, a mixture of gases forming bulk of the atmosphere, that we call air. Second one is atmosphere, the envelope of air surrounding the Earth, that is called atmosphere. That's all for the day. We will continue this chapter in next video. Till then, you have to read from page number 9, the chapter from page number 19 to page number 22. Thank you.